The latest Mercedes CLA220, 2021. First launched in 2013, the Mercedes CLA formed a two-pronged attack with the Mercedes A-Class hatchback aimed at gaining the brand some younger customers. The latest, second-generation CLA is even more desirable. A single diesel engine, badged CLA220D. It uses a 2.0-liter engine with 187 horsepower, and sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.1 seconds. The CLA220D has the same 8-speed automatic gearbox as the fast CLA35 and CLA45S models, which come with 302 horsepower and 415 horsepower respectively, and both hit 0 to 100 km per hour in well under 5 seconds. Mercedes' latest interiors are setting the standards in almost every class, and the CLA is no different. Digital displays and a new operating system mean interacting with the CLA feels more like using a smartphone than anything. It's convincingly upmarket too, with lots of plush materials and design flourishes like Mercedes' trademark turbine-style air vents. The CLA can jiggle slightly over bumps, particularly with large alloy wheels fitted, but it settles to a relaxed cruise on the motorway, where its slippery shape also helps keep wind noise at bay. Standard kit is pretty good, and includes 18-inch alloy wheels and a sports body styling kit ensuring the CLA looks the part. There are also LED headlights, leather upholstery, wireless smartphone charging and keyless start. The MBUX infotainment system is good to use and responds to Hey Mercedes voice commands, working a bit like Amazon Alexa or Google Home Assistant. You can also integrate your smartphone with the infotainment system thanks to standard-fit Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Independent body Euro NCAP has conducted a crash test for the Mercedes CLA and awarded it a 5-star result. It's particularly reassuring given the adult and child occupant scores were 96% and 91% respectively, while the mark for pedestrian safety was also a high 91%. Key technologies like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assistance are all included as standard, while traffic sign recognition comes with the AMG Line Premium Plus version. Augmented Reality Sat Nav is also available, using a windscreen camera to show real images in the media display with superimposed directions.